This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 12, chapter 11. Differentiation exercise is 11.2. Now, if y is this term, then we have to show that dy by dx is this term. Basically, we have to find out the differentiation only. But these type of questions, you'll see that the answer they want, the examiner want, there will be some kind of trick we have to apply somewhere. Okay, if you want to just go through the solution and do it by yourself, you can do it. And if you want to understand how to do this, let us start. Y is log of this term. So this, please remember, dy by dx is only the differentiation only, f dash x or dy by dx. These are the same thing. So we have y is equal to log of this under root x minus 1 minus under root x plus 1. Alright. So when you take the dy by dx, that is the differentiation. So log of anything will be 1 by that of that thing. So 1 by under root, this is going to be, just assume it to be a and b, just to save time. Under root a minus under root b. So the differentiation of the internal, that is the chain rule we are going to apply. So d by dx of anything of the root. So d by dx of anything with root is 1 by twice of that thing. Okay. So root of anything, d by dx of x, for example, it is going to be 1 by twice of under root x. This is the common thing which we have learned. Same thing we are going to do here. D by dx of this is 1 by twice of under root x minus 1. Okay. Now x minus 1 differentiation is x is 1 and 1 is 0. So there will be nothing. And 1 only basically. So this d by dx of under root x plus 1 is 1 by twice of under root x plus 1. And differentiation of x plus 1 is what? X is 0, x is 1 and 1 is 0. So 1 you will get. So this a I assume to be x minus 1 and this is to be x plus 1. So 1 by 2 I am taking common. We'll deal with it later. So 1 by 2 I am taking outside. What do you get? Under root x plus 1 minus under root x minus 1 divided by under root x minus 1 into under root x plus 1. So when you multiply this under root x minus 1 into x plus 1 is x square minus 1 square. So under root ab it will be. So you have under root a into under root b. So under root ab under root x square minus 1 it will be. So denominator will be under root x square minus 1 and that will come in your answer also, which you will see here. So let me just write it here, under root x square minus 1. And then we have this 1 by under root. This is under root a minus under root b. What is a? X minus 1. So this is under root a. This is under root b minus under root a. So if I take a negative common from here, then it will be under root a minus under root b. That is under root. Same thing means under root x minus 1 x plus, minus under root x plus 1. So you can just cancel it out. Negative I took outside. There was already a 2 in the denominator and I told you under root x square minus 1 was already there. This is your final answer. Same thing here. Just we'll take certain thing on the left and the right to get to this answer. So for reference, same type of question only with a plus sign, what we are doing here. This is same thing, almost same thing. It doesn't have a log, but this kind of scenario will only come when we have some values we'll take on the left, some value on the right, like that. And essentially you don't have to worry about anything, you just have to differentiate it. So we will differentiate it. Dy by dx will be what? Alright. So let me do it. If you are confident that you will be able to do by yourself, just have a look at the answer and try it yourself. Now dy by dx of under root x plus 1 is 1 by twice of under root x plus 1. d by dx of under root x minus 1 is 1 by twice of under root x minus 1. What is the differentiation of x plus 1? 1. What is the differentiation of x minus 1? It is 1. So this because of the chain rule, we have to do x plus 1 and x minus 1 also, but it is going to be 1 only. I am taking half common now. So under root x minus 1, I am taking LCM inside, and this is going to be plus under root x plus 1. In the denominator, we'll get under root x plus 1 into under root x minus 1, and that is going to be under root x square minus 1 square, which I already told you. So this all is going to be, because this is, you can take 1 by 1. See, this is y only. Under root x plus 1 and under root x minus 1 was what? It was y. So I am keeping it as y. Y by 2 under root x square minus 1. This dy by dx. Now you can take this under root x square minus 1 on the left hand side. So under root x square minus 1 dy by dx is equal to y by 2 or half into y. Okay. Same thing here, but we will try to keep this y, which is x by x plus 2 somewhere. You'll see just now. And if you are able to understand the solution, it's given already. But we will have certain logic and trick here. So we have dy by dx and u by v, that is, we will apply the quotient rule. So d by dx of x by x plus 2 is going to be, in the denominator you have x plus 2 whole square, then we have x plus 2, then d by dx of x is going to be 1. So I am not writing it, minus, then we have x outside, d by dx of x plus 2 is going to be 1 only. So d by dx of x plus 2 is going to be 1. So x plus 2 minus x. Now we will be tempted to cancel these two, x, and it will be twice by x plus 2 whole square. This is dy by dx that we will get. But the answer is not like that. If you see, the answer is not like that. So we cannot do this. We will not jump into just simplifying it. We rather have to see what solution do we need. The solution we need is what you see in the proving. That is, prove that this one. So you need a y, 1 minus y. So we will keep this, we will not cancel these two. So x plus 2 minus x. So x plus 2 by x plus 2 whole square minus x by x plus 2 whole square. We will keep it like that. We will not cancel this x and x. Now you see, x by x plus 2 is what? X by x plus 2 is y. So what you can do here is, you can keep this x plus 2 as x by y. X plus 2 will be x by y. So you can keep it like this, x plus 2 is x by y. And now we will replace wherever x plus 2 is there, x with x by y. So this x plus 2 whole square, you can just cancel these 1x plus 2. You will get 1x plus 2 in the denominator, so 1 by x plus 2. And in place of x plus 2, just replace it by x by y. So 1 by x by y, so y will go up, denominator will be x. Here again same thing, x by x plus 2 whole square. What is x plus 2? Which is x by y. So it will be x square by y square. This goes up. So this is y by x minus x gets cancelled, y by x minus y square by x. Now you have the denominator as same, so you can just have one denominator, y minus y square by x. You can take y common, y minus y into 1 minus y divided by x. And this is dy by dx. This x you can take on the left hand side, so x into dy by dx is going to be y into 1 minus y. This is your final answer. Please remember that if we would have cancelled x plus 2 minus x and x, we wouldn't have achieved this answer. This has to be only done in a way I taught you. Now this is y equals log into root x plus 1 by root x. dy by dx has to be given like this. We have to prove like this. So the solution is in front of you. If you just want to carry on, you can just go ahead for the next question. But those who want to actually get how it is going to be solved, so just assume this under root x plus 1 by under root x is a. So log of anything will be 1 by that thing. So I am assuming that to be a. And this is a root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by under root 2x. So what it will be? It will be 1 by x under root x twice. How it is going to come? I'll show you. Because in the denominator it is under root x. When the under root x will go in the numerator, this root x will go in the numerator. It is going to be x to the power half. In the denominator goes x to the power minus half. So when we take the differentiation of x to the power minus half, what do you get? Minus half will come in front. And this is going to be x to the power minus half minus 1. Minus half minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. So minus half minus 3 by 2, x to the power minus 3 by 2. So minus half 1 by x to the power 3 by 2. You can write it as x into x to the power half, because 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So x to the power half is root x. So minus half, x is already there, and x to the power half is under root x. So I am just changing the sign. It is going to be 1 by 2x under root x. It was minus of that. So differentiation of x to the power minus half, I told you. Alright. So now this, what I am doing is, I am taking the LCM of this. Okay. So this is what I am talking about, the denominator, because 1 by that thing. And then the LCM of this is x plus 1 by under root x. So under root x will go up. X plus 1 will be in the denominator. 1 by 2 I am taking outside. Inside this only we have 1 by root x. So I will take the 1 by root x also common. Means root x from the denominator I can take common. When I can take common this root x, it will be only 1 minus 1 by x inside. That is the only thing remaining. So 1 minus 1 by x it will be. So what do you get here? Under root x we have already taken. So this is going to be x minus 1 by x when you take the LCM. So this is x minus 1 by x. Okay, what is the final? Half x minus 1 by x, root x gets cancelled, x plus 1 in the denominator. This is what you have to prove also. This is the final one, okay? Now y is equal to log of something. We have to prove dy by dx equals to sec 2x. Now there is certain things which we have to see, because there will be something I will be doing, and then I will be telling you, oh, this was a problem. Means we cannot go ahead with this. We cannot go ahead with this. We have to change the scenario. So log of anything will be 1 by that thing. That is 1 by under root 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x under root. So when it will be solved, under root 1 minus tan x will go in the numerator, and 1 plus tan x with the root goes in the denominator. Log of anything, differentiation will always be 1 by that thing. I hope you have a fair idea up till now here. Because log is just 1 by that thing. That is the reciprocal of whatever is inside log. But are we going to do like this? See, I am writing t as tan x. So 1 plus t, 1 minus t, root is what? Half. And we know that log a to the power b comes to the front. So half will come in front. So we will be getting rid of the root first of all. Okay. So we are using first the property of log so that we can bring this half in front. So it is going to be half log. We have not differentiated up till now. We are just solving, or we are just using the property of log. So half comes in from log 1 plus t by 1 minus t. Now log a by b. What is log a by b? Log a minus log b. Log a by b is log a minus log b. So half will be taken care later. So log 1 plus t, 1 minus t. T of course is tan theta, tan x. So log 1 plus t minus log 1 minus t. So we have applied another property of this, log a by b. Now we will differentiate. So we will differentiate now d by dx of log 1 plus t and d by dx of log 1 minus t. Okay. Log x is 1 by x, so it will be 1 by 1 plus t. And what is 1 plus tan theta? 1 plus tan theta differentiation is what? Tan theta is sec square theta. Alright. So it will be sec square theta. So let me write it as sec square theta minus Again log 1 minus t. So differentiation of this is 1 by 1 minus tan theta. And 1 minus tan theta, 1 will be 0, minus, and sec square theta, tan square theta is again sec square theta. So we have a minus, so it will become plus. So plus sec square theta. Now what we can do here is sec square we can take common. We have a half in the denominator. So we can take sec square x from the numerator and denominator 2. So what do you get inside? 1 by 1 plus t plus 1 by 1 plus t. Of course, t is tan theta here. Okay. So minus minus became plus. So we have 1 by 1 plus t plus 1 by 1 minus t. And sec square x by 2 we already taken common. So let us take the LCM. 1 plus 1 minus t goes here. 1 plus t goes here. 1 plus t into 1 minus t in the denominator. So 1 plus t into 1 minus t is 1 square minus t square. So 1 minus t square. Tan theta gets cancelled. You get 1 plus 1 as 2. It can be cancelled by this 2 in the denominator. So you get 1 by 1 minus t square. So 1 minus tan square theta. Please remember, sec square theta is what? Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. It is not 1 minus tan square theta. I have written it wrongly. I'll just change it. Right? Now problem here is we have to get only sec 2x. So what do we do here? We will not use that. As I told you, 1 minus tan square theta is not sec square theta. It is 1 plus tan square theta. So sec square x I am going to write it as 1 minus tan square theta. I just told you 1 plus tan square theta. Sorry. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta. I have changed here. So sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So in the numerator, sec square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x. Alright. And in the denominator we have 1 minus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This is what we got. Now, we know that the value of cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. We already know that from our trigonometry. So in order to solve this, can we just write it as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square? Because cos 2 theta, let me just write it again. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. You already know that. But we got 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta, so we need a reciprocal. So you can write it as 1 by 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is cos 2 theta, the denominator. So 1 by cos 2 theta it will be. So cos 2 theta is sec 2 theta or sec 2x. Theta and x I am interchangeably using. It is sec 2x. So here I told you sec square equals to 1 minus tan square, which was wrong. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Now this also has the same flavor as we have done already. So y is under root x plus 1 by under root x. We have to prove that 2x into dy by dx is equal to under root x minus 1 by under root x. Y is those who want to do by themselves, and how to write, that's why I always give the answer, right? But how to do this? Let us differentiate. Root x is 1 by twice of root x, and 1 by root x I just told you in the previous question, one of the previous question. It is minus 1 by 2x root x, right? So 1 by 2 root x we can take common, you get 1 minus 1 by x. So 1 minus 1 by x is x minus 1 by x. And then we have 1 by twice of under root x. Alright? So this is dy by dx. Now you need a 2x here. So you can take these 2 and this x here. So I am taking 2x dy by dx here. What is remaining? X minus 1 by under root x. So just separate it. X by under root x minus 1 by under root x. X by under root x is nothing but root x. How? X to the power 1, x to the power half in the denominator. Half goes up. It is going to be negative. 1 minus half is half. So x to the power half is root x. It is root x minus 1 by root x. 2x dy by dx is this. I hope you got the idea. You have to write like what is given on the left. This we will take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.